Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Microsoft Outlook app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Microsoft Outlook is a versatile email and calendar app developed by Microsoft, designed to manage emails, calendars, contacts, and tasks all in one place. It supports multiple email accounts, integrates with Microsoft 365, offers smart inbox sorting, customizable notifications, and robust search functionality. The app also allows offline access, focuses on productivity tools, and provides seamless synchronization across devices. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate its clean interface, efficient navigation, and reliable performance for both professional and personal communication. It helps users manage their schedules, prioritize important emails, and stay organized on the go. Many also value its integration with other Microsoft tools like Teams, OneDrive, and Word for a streamlined workflow. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some features, like advanced email management and collaboration tools, may require a Microsoft 365 subscription. There are occasional complaints about syncing delays or notifications not appearing in real time. Additionally, users new to Microsoft products may find the interface slightly complex at first. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Microsoft Outlook app may be worth using if you need a powerful, all-in-one email and calendar solution, especially for work or productivity purposes. It excels in integration, organization, and cross-device sync. However, if you prefer simpler email apps or don't need Microsoft 365 integration, it might feel a bit heavy. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.